I am so excited to share with you not one, not two, but 3 fat-burning salads to beat prediabetes and boost your health. I'm Dietitian Shelly, and if you are tired of struggling with extra pounds and high blood sugar levels, these salads are what you need to turn things around.
I cannot wait to show you how to make this.
Very important. I want you to start by washing that cabbage. Just trust me, you're going to want to do this. Now, we're using cabbage because it's only 22 calories per cup, but more important, research has shown that cabbage can decrease certain blood markers of inflammation. Now, inflammation can be related to weight gain, so let's fat burn this salad up. Now, when that cabbage is nice, squeaky clean, go ahead and add it to your bowl. Now I'm reaching for our next burner, which is our light olive oil. We're adding a 4th cup of this. Remember, we want to use light. We don't want to use those bottled salad dressings. Get rid of those. Those contain a lot of our trans fats, which unfortunately can cause some problems down the road for us. If though you're looking for a specific salad dressing, I did do a video on my favorite keto salad dressings. So you can go ahead and click on it at the end of this video. And now we're going to add a little bit of our regimen real salt. Y'all know I love this product. I did add about 1/4 of a teaspoon. You can add a little more if you'd like to. And here's the winner, goat cheese. Now, what is so absolutely fabulous about goat cheese? The fatty acids in goat cheese are metabolized faster than that of cow cheese, which means by eating goat cheese, we are feeling fuller faster. Now, some of y'all are a little scared of it. You see, I am just using my fork. I'm kind of doing a little crumble here. This clinic is not all about being super sexy food, folks. We are trying to make these things as easy as possible because my goal for you is to burn fat. Now, research has found evidence that choosing goat cheese over cows can help people feel less hungry and eat less of it overall, which this is a super important factor in our weight loss, friends. So go ahead, add this cheese. I found it in the cheese section at the store. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. It is a mild flavor. It's not gross. It will be one of your absolute favorites. The ingredients are super specific, but guess what? You can find them at your local Walmart or Kroger. We'll talk about them in a little bit more detail, but we have our strawberries, aka fiber-rich food, package of our cabbage, super crunchy, super low calorie, super low carb, sugar snap peas, a little bit of Swerve, Greek yogurt, that's what's the winner, folks, and lemon juice.
So Swerve is made from select ingredients from different fruits and vegetables. So it's 0 calorie, it's non-GMO, it is absolutely awesome. But the only thing I disagree with Swerve and a lot of our other sugar replacers, be it you use allulose, be it you use monk fruit, is that I don't measure cup for cup. I feel like it gives an aftertaste when it does that. And I'm gonna do a video down the road on how to cook with sugar replacers because we make a lot of mistakes. But I encourage you to use half the amount. So if you use a cup of sugar, use a cup of Swerve. Or if the recipe calls for a cup of Swerve, use half a cup. It's really gonna make a difference in that taste.
Get that measuring cup bowl and the Greek yogurt, the weight loss winner. Dun, 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 dun. Why is that? We're adding a 3rd cup, by the way. High protein content. Now, a bunch of y'all are gonna ask if we can use a sugar-free salad dressing. No, the answer is no, because I want to increase a lot of weight loss. How does this work with protein? Well, first off, Greek yogurt has more protein than regular yogurt. Protein keeps us full. It promotes satiety, number 1. So that's going to prevent us from munching on other items. Folks will tell me all the time in clinic, I had a salad, but I'm still hungry because you didn't have protein. You didn't have protein. It's low in carbs because we're picking a plain Greek yogurt. And something really cool. Greek yogurt is low on the glycemic index scale. And if you've been following me forever, you know I'm big on low glycemic index items like low glycemic index fruit. But check this out. Greek yogurt ranks in the 6 to 11 point scale. Just to give you a gauge, watermelon is in the 80s. And remember, low glycemic index foods will produce less blood glucose and insulin spikes, which will avoid us from creating body fat. Hello, grab the Greek yogurt. I'm also adding to this tablespoon of Swerve. We talked about Swerve earlier. Tablespoon of lemon juice,
We're gonna mix that all together, and I want you to grab those sugar snap peas. Now these are gonna add a nice little crunch to it. It's only about a half a cup that we're gonna do. We're gonna chop them really, really well. Comes out excellent, folks. We're adding to this 5 strawberries. Yes, just 5. We don't need a lot. This is what's going to give that salad a pretty color, but give it a little bit more fiber. And we talked about the glycemic index earlier. The higher fiber in our fruits, the lower the glycemic index. That's why we like the berries. In fact, I did a whole video about the secret berry that can actually reverse prediabetes. You're going to want to watch it. I'm going to link it next. Add in those sugar snap peas. Add in those strawberries, the cabbage. Oh my gosh, a lot of y'all are gonna ask about romaine, especially in clinic. Everybody's like, Shelly, can I do romaine instead of cabbage? And the answer is no, because I love cabbage. I love the crunch, and where are my manners? If you're new here, welcome. I'm Shelly, aka Dietitian Shelly. I bring you tons of videos on diabetes, insulin resistance, pre-diabetes. If that's you, you definitely want to subscribe, because I'm going to give you some yummy recipes and some tips for lowering those blood sugar levels and helping you lower your weight. See that we're mixing this all together. This is creamy. This is delicious. It's beautiful. It's the perfect crunch. It's a weight loss salad. Grab your shopping list, because these ingredients can be found at your favorite local supermarket. Yes, I'm talking about Walmart, Kroger, Albertsons, y'all. We have Swerve. You're going to see why I love this in a second. Apple. Don't panic. You'll learn why. Some sugar snap peas, Greek yogurt, lemon juice, carrots, and of course, coleslaw mix. Grab that weight loss fat burning winner, Greek yogurt. Measure on out a half a cup of it, and you're gonna put it in a large bowl. So this is a winner for a couple of reasons, but the main one is this high protein content. So many of y'all are gonna ask me, hey, can we use a dressing, like a sugar-free dressing? No, because those sugar-free dressings do not have protein. Greek yogurt's higher in protein than regular yogurt, and remember, protein keeps us full, so it promotes satiety, which is the feeling of fullness. It's low carb naturally, and it's low on the glycemic index scale. It ranks about 6 to 11 points, and just to give you a gauge, our good old raspberries is about 37. Now, we like things that are low in the glycemic index because it will produce less blood glucose and insulin, which will help us to avoid creating body fat. That's a lot of stuff. That means get Greek yogurt into your diet. We're gonna add to that a tablespoon of our Swerve. You can definitely give it a little mixeroo right here if you would like to, or you can go ahead and add in that tablespoon of lemon juice. This is gonna give us that tang. So again, give it a great little mixture. And again, so many of y'all are gonna ask about different vegetables. I love sugar snap peas. I feel like it gives me a crunch. This is something that you could snack on in the car for sure. I do this a lot. I get funny looks. I used to fly a lot. I really don't anymore, thank goodness, because, you know, as I've gotten older, flying's kind of lost its romantic appeal. But I used to bring sugar snap peas on the airplane, and folks would look at me like I was crazy. And I'd go, hey, leave me alone, because I'm a dietitian. Use what you like and chop it how you like. I'm not a chef, gang. I'm just using a regular old knife and a regular old cutting board, and I'm adding in an apple. Now, before you clutch the pearl, start sweating, panic a little bit. Apple is a high fiber fruit, and we're only adding 1 to this mixture. I need a crunch. I need that, you know, kind of sweet feel in this salad. And we're gonna chop this up very thin as well. Now, one of my little tricks, because I was a 4-H'er growing up, is that I like to kind of mix things as I go. So we're gonna add the chopped up sugar snap peas and apples to our Greek yogurt dressing and give it a really, really good mix up so that everything gets coated. It's gonna be like mouth watering. It's gonna be fantastic. And then now we gotta add the final ingredients, which is our coleslaw mix. And I do add it a little bit at a time. And then your shredded cabbage. And again, add as much or as little as you please. This is a salad to please you and your family. I really just give you the base of this. As we mix it, you know, I probably should have used a bigger bowl, but that's okay. And I'm a little lazy because I'm not gonna get a larger bowl. You are gonna love this. Look at it, it's beautiful. I mean, smelly vision's not there, Crunch vision's not there. This does everything. It's mouth-watering, it's crunchy. You're gonna wanna make this. Scroll in the description box for the recipe. And again, while you're down there, download that 7-day menu for you to lower your blood sugars and help you lose weight. Gang, I'm Dietitian Shelly. Please subscribe to this channel and much love.